How to add Sunbucks to Instacart. Follow these instructions. Open the Instacart app or website, log into your account with phone or email, and go to your account settings to begin setup. In the account settings section, scroll and select EBT Snap to start adding your Sunbucks EBT card to your payment methods. Tap on Add EBT Snap Card, then enter your full name as shown on the Sunbucks card and carefully type the full card number. Re-enter the Sunbucks card number again to confirm it's accurate, then tap the Save or Add Card option to finish linking it. Now add a backup debit or credit card to help cover fees, tips, delivery, or items that Sunbucks does not allow you to buy. When checking out, select EBT Snap as your payment method and split payment between EBT and your backup card if needed. Review the items, confirm EBT eligibility, then enter your EBT PIN securely when prompted to place and complete your order. Thank you for watching.